Every second, someone gets hacked, scammed, or tricked online. But what if you could understand how it all happens and protect yourself like a pro? This channel is here to make cybersecurity simple. No confusing jargon, no tech overload. Just clear, easy to understand videos that show you how the online world really works and how to stay safe in it. You will learn how hackers think, how cyber attacks happen, and how to defend yourself using real-world techniques from cyber awareness and password safety to ethical hacking, phishing attacks, CTFs, penetration testing, and VAPT. I'm here to help you see that cybersecurity isn't scary, it's empowering, because the more you understand, the safer you become. So, if you want to stay one step ahead of hackers and become cyber smart, subscribe now, and let's explore the digital world the safe way.